Are you searching for a camera to document your motorcycle adventures? Do you desire a camera that is waterproof, possesses excellent image quality, and enables you to monitor both the front and rear of your vehicle? If so, you might find the Blueskysea B3M motorcycle dash cam intriguing, as it is specifically designed for motorcycles and provides all these features and more. The Blueskysea B3M motorcycle dash cam comprises two 200 watts cameras mounted on the front and rear of the bike, along with a 3-inch screen positioned on the handlebars. Both cameras can currently record in 1080p at 30 fps, featuring a 150-degree angle of view, allowing you to capture everything transpiring on the road. Additionally, they incorporate the WDR function, enhancing visibility in low light or high contrast conditions. The Blueskysea B3M motorcycle dash cam boasts an IP67 waterproof design, ensuring it can endure rain, dust, and splashes without any issues. It is equipped with an internal battery that enables continuous operation in case of a power outage on the bike. Furthermore, it includes a G-sensor that identifies impacts and automatically locks video files, preventing them from being overwritten. But that's not all. The Blueskysea B3M motorcycle dash cam also features other noteworthy functions. For instance, the GPS mode lets you monitor your bike's speed and location on the screen or through the mobile app. The built-in Wi-Fi facilitates connectivity with your smartphone, allowing you to share videos and images on social networks. Additionally, it comes with a 32GB memory card and a remote control for convenient camera operation. The Blueskysea B3M motorcycle dash cam has garnered positive feedback from buyers and users who commend its easy installation, superior image quality, and water resistance. Nevertheless, some criticisms include the absence of audio in recordings, limited internal battery life, and difficulty viewing the screen in direct sunlight. In conclusion, the Blueskysea B3M motorcycle dash cam delivers excellent value for money, enabling you to safely and comfortably record your motorcycle journeys. If you wish to learn more about this product, visit the manufacturer's website or explore customer reviews on Amazon. You can purchase it today through the link provided in this video's description.